runs relentlessly. They breathe a prize to the enthusiasm, sweat, talent, and determination, hope, and faith. Now, the time for action is always now. Time is such a most important resource. To score what needs it, not only but even more likely defeat. As we seek to achieve, we do work now.
Vision, sight, goal, character. Vision is not limited to seeing things. It means seeing through and following through. I am but one voice, but together, with like-minded and like-hearted champions, we make such a potent force. I and all of us must become success. It is now a product of mere wishful thinking. It is an outcome of willful effort. We do not wish to leave success to chance. We achieve success as we equip ourselves by persistent learning and striving. Indefatigable. The path may be rough and narrow. The mountain may be steep and treacherous. Yet, to realize our visions in life, we remind ourselves the incidental pain will not compare to our glorious gain. Overcome, we acknowledge there are hurdles along the way. Precisely, that's why we must learn. Ignorance.
Ini bawa patang mahal. Ini bawa pakai ini.
And oh, no to stop, no to cowardice, no to indifference, no to mediocrity, no to lack of discipline, no to dishonesty, no to self-centeredness. Promote service for others. E. Exert your best all the time. C. Potency of will and purpose is vital. D. Train up, submit and succeed. E. Encourage others also. Refrain committing foolish mistakes. R. Remember God and seek His ways always. I. Inspire even if you inspire. F. Fulfill your word always. I. Still self-discipline. Commit to do what is good and noble. President and Chairman of Optimus, to tell us some more about tonight's program.
This is not a production of the television people you would see perform perfectly. We don't claim perfection, but we claim that we try to do as much and as best. I'm supposed to talk about a prequel to this. Paano po ba nangyari that we have this Envision Expectorific? Our teacher Leia from UP, she's very adept at IT, computer technology, asked me, "Dito pa pa?" Sabi ko, no, it's a flash of effort. It's not something that came out and that's it. Every time we do a Christmas presentation, the next day po, God gave us a new vision. God gave us something to talk about the next time around. Last year we have Dream Big, and we were so happy, but it's not enough to dream big. There has to be focus and discipline. Yun po ang sinasabi namin sa mga anak nyo, sa mga, we always say that they are champion because they are. Intelligence principles that we believe in. I think I remember, wala akong kodi ko binaba ko mo kanina, nung mag-blackout, nung mag-brown out. I hope I could give 3 points. Number 1, it's impossible to arrange this program without. Secondly, it's not so humanly possible because when we were preparing this, as those who have been old-timers with us, we took GCF Taytay for two sessions. When we were closing the final finishing touches, GCF said, hindi po pwede ng 22 kasi may retreat kami, walang tao dito. For 3 weeks, Teacher Evelyn graciously allowed us to see the place. And it's not humanly impossible because as of this morning, we don't even have a stage. Hindi ba kayo naghanda? No, we did. Si Daddy Ed, Permisita, Daddy Ed, where are you? Your space. But I think if God wants us to have a bigger space, the first thing God allows us to do is to stretch the tent. This is stretching the tent. In God's time, we will have a bigger nation by itself. So the other one are the kids who are new, but a lot of them are really performing well. So congratulations to your kids. The reason why we hold this is because of one thing. Can we flash that? The outlet thing. Nutrients from the neighboring places, yung mga topsoil nagro-roll papuntang Dead Sea. When the topsoil erodes and goes to the Dead Sea, that should be food for flora and fauna and fish. But nothing lives on the Dead Sea, except for one, which is a red algae. Except for that, nothing lives in the Dead Sea. Why? Because despite all the feeding and the 8.9 times, kaya pwede kayo magbasa na nakalutang sa Dead Sea. But it is not the salinity itself that is the problem. The salinity is a byproduct of the problem. It's because the Dead Sea has no outlet. Can we have the lights? Okay. We've been asking ourselves with all the difficulty, but we do not want to resign. It's difficult, but we would rather die doing the right thing. So ulitin ko po, humanly impossible, but with God, nothing is impossible. Second, because of the outlet thing, that's why we have this program. It is an outlet. It is your child's outlet, not ours. This is not a program where we take pride in arrogant to proclaim. Kanino Optimus? No. Optimus is